Welcome back. I'm Erik and this is Nitro Circus's Oh Shit Moments. Oh my God. On today's episode, I want to talk about one of my favorite all-round Nitro members, Dusty Wygle. Now, Dusty came to us from a pit bike background, but has slowly become a master of many Nitro traits. He came young, ambitious, full of hope, and we were more than happy to have a new guinea pig to abuse. Now, this particular day was Dusty's day to shine. It was to be one of the longest pit bike jumps in history.
He just ran away from it like it was nothing and ran back up the jump.
Now, before we get into this, I'd like to preface it by saying Dusty is well known for having a little too much energy and often overshooting his landings.
Figure I'd rather overshoot it than...
Overshoot if it hit it third.
Third wide?
Third wide the first time, for sure.
And like usual, Dusty came in way too hot, overshot his jump, and kasplat, done, broken, ouch, out cold, good night. That's it for Dusty Wygle. On that day, Dusty proved that he could be a part of the Nitro Circus family.
All right, that's a wrap.